Did you see the Kitten Space Agency update? Of course I did. In Magic Jam, that 3D print is if you look in my Discord, that's a custom job. I didn't print it. It was a gift from some very, very talented viewers. Oh. Jeez. All right. Let me put on the splash screen for a second and we'll start up YouTube. I gotta switch everything up to gaming. Magic Jam, Hokey. Okay. Let's start up that YouTube video here. Wait a minute. All right, that's enough. Stack that guy. Oh, welcome on YouTube, the YouTube side of things. Welcome. You broke it? Why'd you break it? Hey, Command Racer had a 4-month resub in there. Thanks, man. Maddie with the 3-monther in there. Appreciate it. What's short, red, and green all over? You know there's a joke tax in this stream. $1 per joke or pun. You know that, right? Short, red, and green all a Kerbal in a blender. Pay up. Pay up. What's that in bits? 100 bits. Can I borrow NSF pun tokens? No, they are non-transferable, David. Jeez. So, what should we do here? That really activates my almonds. What should we do? We got 3 hours till the Astranus launch. Where's the alerter? Kralani, 112 months. Jeb wanted a cooler spaceship, so he froze his pants. You get that thing I sent you? Weather guy, yes. Yeah. The P.O. box has been retrieved. Starship? Oh. Okay. Yeah, here we go. Do you even remember the controls? Let's find out. Just check mod cord real quick.
Griffin, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
Back tax on pan tax.
Yeah, there you go. I don't know whether, guys, that's not a problem I can fix right now. So, yeah, I don't know. We'll figure it out. All right. Let me make sure the audio is balanced. I remember that. It's okay. You covered 20 of them earlier. All right, fine. That's fair. All right, ready? Let's see. Is it loud? Nah, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Do my control systems still work? Yeah, forward pitch control. There you go. Rear pitch control. Let's make sure those are still doing their things. Yeah. And then there's this. Yeah, there we go. All right. Let's send it. Move the arrow UI over there. Sorry, those flap hinges are in the ablation path. Yeah, whatever. Apollo, 24-month resub. Oh my gosh, KSP. Yes. Not ship V2, unsub, but... Yeah, no vectors. Sorry about that. Why hypersonic? Why? Okay. All right, ready? Okay. All right, we're high enough. Let's start slowing down. Trees. Okay. Come on, baby. No. Stay with me. There we go. Okay. Let's see. All right, you want tunes? You want tunage? Okay. Here, let me get something that works. Give me one moment. Oh, this one. There we go. Is this an older build? Yeah. Yes, it is, dude. Yeah. Ground altimeter's on. All right, let's see if I remember how to do this. Plenty of fuel, we good. No! Oh! Oh! No! No! Ah! Dude, I had that. Yeah, exactly. That wasn't bad for a first try. Crap. How do the systems work on this? Oh, non-Kraken tech or non-hybrid tech. Ugh. You know what? I want another shot. Never had me. Never had your ship. Oh! You're now required to conduct a mishap investigation. Expect delays on your launch license. No. No, we need. There we go. Ready? The Halo music didn't save me. Nope. No, it did not. This is to scale health issue. Thanks, Article 5. I'll show you guys some of my other builds here after we're done messing with this. Yeah, this is a block 1. Actually, this isn't even block 1. This is SN10 spec. Trees. trees. Hang on. All right. She's flopping. So, I was talking about on Flame Trench, guys, I was talking about being able to do a heading alignment maneuver. Starship can, if you modulate the fins, and I have a control system rigged up to do this with cow controllers. Look, see how I'm moving the fins? You could actually get this thing to fly, just not really very well. Like, it can yaw. It definitely can do it. Worked in Kerbal Space Program, okay? Uh-oh. That should not have done that. Why did it pitch like that? Did we lose control? Did we lose rate control? Hold on. Yeah, you really don't want it to be doing what it's doing right now, but this is how it could do it. I guess we're gonna demonstrate how it could do it now. I guess we're doing that. I think this might be generating too much lift. Now we're figuring out ways it could catch. I'm just trying to land the thing, dude. I'll aim for the pad. No, I screwed this one up. I screwed it up bad. We are flying backwards. You know, that's fine. I mean, it could do this, but also... Come on, baby. I got it. I got it. We're all right. We're not all right. How much fuel? How much fuel? How much fuel? We got plenty of fuel. I got this. I got this. We'll be all right. make it! Get him again! Yeah. It's gonna explode. Oh well. The lateral movement, that's hard to zero. Yeah. We'll have to redesign that. We'll have to redesign it. We need some better struts. Yeah. Here, for the people that haven't seen KSP before, let me show you, let me clue you in on how I play this game. We're gonna show off Derek. It's a little bit different, but you guys like Derek? Derek's nice. You see that? I'm enjoying a treat, Derek. This is what we do when we play KSP. Okie dokie. You should use the pad. Nah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on. Get unstuck. Get unstuck. We threw a track. We've been tracked. Dang it.
Discovery, go at throttle up.
Yes. Can we build a Starship shuttle like we discussed in Space News? I don't really have a way to make payload bay doors, dude. That's been my conundrum. I don't have a way to make good payload bay doors for a 5-meter Starship. You know? Like... Rudy had a meeting with SpaceX a couple days ago. Funny enough, they watch you too. Good chat about IPD and its integrated powerhead demo. In its heritage in Raptor and the use of hydrostatic bearings. They what? Wait, Rudy, hold up. What does that mean, they watch me? Funny enough, they watch you too. What does that mean? Oh no. Well, who's they? The heck is an aluminum falcon? What do you mean the rebels blew up the Death Star? Ah! Oh. Yeah, what is that? Rudy? What does that mean, dude? I mean, I wish you all the luck in the world. What does that mean? Oh, God. Wait, I need to read what Rudy said again. Do it. They watch your stream, even back in the old Condor pad design. The SpaceXer I had a chat with is one of the chief engineers for Raptor Assembly. I might work under him. Oh God, I've said a lot of dumb things on here, man. I've said a lot of dumb things on here. I don't know if that's the best thing. Well, that's cool, man. I wish you all the best. Good luck. Good luck, seriously. Rick. That's pretty cool, dude. Some of the SpaceX people actually have the stream playing in the background. I don't know how to feel about that, but that's pretty cool. Want to know a fun fact? Flame Trench is also played in the factory for ambient noise. Well, that's cool, man. That's good to know. Yeah, we know they have Starbase Live, dude. They definitely watch that. I just watch my narrow ass. Anyway, that's super cool, man. Pressure now? It's just cool. Hey, you guys have seen the Starship, but have you seen? Wait, no. Hold up. You need to accept your destiny. Have you made Virgin Galactic? No. Nah. I haven't done that. What I have made is this. Another, you might be surprised at how many SpaceXers play KSP. A lot of them are fanatics with KOS. Nice. I mean, here. Here, did Astranis launch? No. We got 3 hours until the Astranis launch. What does KOS even stand for? Kerbal Operating System. It's it's code. You can code for, you can write code for guidance systems in KSP. Is Astranis launch? Is KSP2 suck? KSP2 doesn't exist. You need to do a KOS. Well, I have KRPC. KRPC is here in game, and KRPC allows you to write Python for your ships. Yeah.
Oh, this is space.
Hey, Rocket
I'm in
Guy.
space.
Almost 100. 97 months, dude. Thank you. I bet they've ran a hardware in the loop thing using KOS. I know at least one other company that has. Oh yeah? That's actually kind of cool.
Oh, this is space. I'm in space.
RJ, gifted a sub to Bean of Legends. Alright, let's see if I can still do this. All right. Will, I lit a thermal tile on fire during the flame trench today, which was kind of cool. Dude, we caught a booster. I don't think booster 12 was waving around like this, but yeah. They did booster at Starbase. Okay, let's try to... This is the part that I can never get right. The chopsticks always get snagged. EJ multi-streaming? What do you mean, Tree? Is this as strong as you can make them? We could do a stronger design, Dean, but I don't really want to build anything today. My building skills are in the toilet, to say the least. I don't remember how to do any of this. And it kills me to say that. Like, absolutely kills me to say that. Out of the way, the nav ball there. What exactly is the ad time redeem? If you redeem ad time, you roll D20. The mods will roll D20 for you, and I roll D20. If I win, no ads run. If you win, we run ads. Now do it in KSP 2. Frick that game. Yeah, the linear bearing. These linear bearings aren't really very good. You redeemed ad time and you rolled 1. Ha 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 ha. Hey! 7 years of KSP and you forgot that quickly. I could probably figure it out, man. Like, can this catch a booster coming in at 345 degrees? Yeah. I don't know, maybe. KSA shall carry the legacy. Yep. Yeah, exactly. $95 made me play KSP again just now. Oh, okay. How long did it take you to throw together the launch tower in KSP? This build took, back in the day, Dean, probably took about a week. This was a quick build. I did this really fast. If you want to see more of my fleshed out stuff, I can show you. But that, dude, we can still catch. That's pretty good. It does sag like crazy, though. Is this Halo music, LOL? Yeah. I used to listen to Halo music playing KSP all the time. Here, if you want to see... Yeah, got plenty of time. I don't think I have a Grissom loaded into this save dyno. You guys want to see something more fleshed out? How's that? That's pretty fleshed out. Need the aviators on, Dean? Look, a falling brick. Is this Buran? No. This right here is about as good as I can engineering a shuttle to get the fuel balance and everything right in KSP. The launch box? Oh god. What about the launch box? Yeah, that thing flies exactly like the space shuttle, guys. It flies. Actually, it might fly a little bit too good, but with the exception of that, it flies very much ascent, re-entry, flies just like it. It flies terribly, yes. It's actually really hard to make something fly bad in KSP, believe it or not. Ask Rocket Guy, he'll tell you. Prove it. Last. Can you explain Energia? It's... Energia? It's a ripoff. Like, how detailed of an explanation are you looking for, man? I'd like to play the game, if that's okay. Is that Falcon 9? I don't have a Falcon 9 in this save that we loaded up, but I do... Oh, where is it? Hold on. Also, I should thank you for directing me to dive into the tech world. I was going to do finance, but I was watching one of your Neptune boosters landing from like 7 years ago and got hooked on KSP. Oh, jeez. Well, thanks, man. You don't need to thank me, dude. Just doing my job. You can't use wings in KSP. They're overpowered. Yeah, they really are, dude. This is a Falcon 9 alike rocket. If you guys want to mess with MLV, I'll show you what this thing is all about. So, Tonzisser, Energia has 4 RD-0120s in the core stage and 4 RD-170 powered Zenit boosters. Basically, they took the back of the shuttle and put it on the core stage. It's literally like an SLS core with Zenit boosters attached to it. But the RD-0120s have to gimbal in the opposite direction as the shuttle engines to get the thing to fly right. If you notice, the boosters are actually asymmetric on the forward axis of Energia. You need some mods? Glad to see you're doing well. Right on, Rudy. Right on. The Neptune days were 2018. Yeah. Let me check my action groups. Okay. Okay. We can fly it. So this isn't Falcon 9, this isn't New Glenn, this isn't Delta 4. This is a Kerbalized version of all those rockets put into one. This is actually the closest thing that it's a Kerbalized version of is Falcon 9. It is what a Falcon 9 would look like if it was optimized for KSP's atmosphere. Yes, we did the math behind it a long time ago. All right, ready? T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. See, last question. Do you guys wait until I go to launch, or? I was wondering how SpaceX is planning on catching Starship at the launch site. They're probably going to mess with the thermal protection systems enough usernames to where they can fix pins to Starship. Yeah, they'll probably end up. My guess is that they're going to end up. They're trying to eliminate as many tiles as they possibly can, to basically put something like super heavy on there. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ignite. Boosters in Ignite. Jeb the pilot. Ah, Jeb's dead, man. No, I mean, how are the chopsticks going to catch the Starship since they're likely going to be having a booster in the way? The chopsticks will turn to the side and catch the booster from the side. I forgot how to apply this, by the way. Is MLB Kerbal rated? I think we ever Kerbal rated it, dude, but... No, Jeb's alive in this save. This is the engineering mode save. Stand by for Miko. Upper stage ignition. Good separation. Boost back. We are gonna run out of fuel. most likely gonna run out of fuel. She's gonna crash. Okay. Switching back to the second stage. First stage is gonna coast for a second. Get the trajectories mod, it'll make landing so much easier. I don't need that, Tony. I'm good, bro. Okay, bearing separation. Bearing separation confirmed. We got a dummy payload. We got a dummy thick payload. Just a Viper brick. Yes, exactly. Alright, I'm gonna stop us just short of orbit here, Starship style. That would have made it. We easily have the fuel to make it. We could probably send us to the moon from there. But I'm going to switch back to the first stage. All right. Let's see if I still got this. I really don't think I have enough fuel. We have acquisition of signal. We're short. I'll try to coast her, see what happens. We might end up using too much on the RCS here. Ground altimeter is on. This configuration of the booster, guys, I have with 18 tons of payload. An 18-ton RTLS is not something that Falcon is capable of doing, just for what it's worth. This was testing the absolute max performance with the booster. This would need to do a drone ship landing with 18 tons. Have I done drone ship landings? Yes. Have I done drone ship landings without trajectories? Yes. I can land these things. I know how to just gotta read the nav ball. I can tell you we're short, so what I'm gonna try to do is see if we can use some body lift on the booster to get us where we need to go. Coming in too fast. We're still coming down in the water. Booster divert. We're coming in too fast. I do not have the Delta V to do this. Gonna have to let it coast for as long as we can. Okay. Landing leg deploy. We had enough. Well, that sucks. We had enough. Just barely. If I had just boosted back a little bit more, we would have made it. Crap. Ah. GovSat moment. CRS 16 moment. Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what happened. That's exactly what it is, dude. Ah, we could tow it. We could tow it back. Nope. Pretty cool, huh? Look at the landing legs. The landing legs are this thing's crowning achievement. Those are stock with the 2 Kerbal DLCs. So it's stock with robotics. Those are stock landings. The whole booster is stock, dudes. Yeah, my interstage survived, Joe. It's because mine's good. Like, the push rods are all in the same spot as Falcon 9. The landing legs work exactly like it, but we figured out that 6 or 7 skippers is something that's going to give you a closest approximation in thrust to a Falcon 9. Yeah, and that's what fits under there. Yes, CRS-16 got towed back to shore, Nova. Yep, yes, it did. They towed CRS-16 back to shore and basically scrapped it. They took all the usable parts off of it and scrapped the thing. Fun fact, CRS-16, that booster, that's Falcon 9 1050, or was. If you take a close look at Starhopper here, when Starhopper was flying, it had our CS blocks on it. Guess where those came from? Guess where that came from? Those are 1050's RCS blocks. Don't ask me how or why I know that, but they are. So yeah, they did tow it back. Been doing some math. I found a way to get the drag coefficient surface area from the Aero UI to help Rocket Guy. I saw you talking to him last night on the stream, dude. Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do with this thing. Let's probably just recover it. Oh, I just remembered I was about to tell you, Skippas are also good as analogs to Saturn 1B's first stage engines. Yeah? Yeah? RJ, did I ever make BFR in Kerbal? I don't know. I made a lot of things in KSP, dude. I make a lot of things. I mean, Neptune is basically that. How do you know those came from Booster 1050? I know people. You know, EJ, you should try to do it as well. Make your own reusable rocket. Graham, You had a shuttle for Neptune? Yeah, we called it BCR, RJ, yeah. I called it BCR and I put header tanks on it to get it to fly right. that thing was awesome. It didn't fly correctly, dude. Graham, I ran an entire space program in this game. If you guys are wondering, if you're watching from like the NSF side of things, or you know me from more recent stuff, and you're wondering how I know so much about this stuff, I, for years, attempted to use Kerbal Space Program as a highly modified Kerbal Space Program career save. I attempted for years to play that to learn how a space program works. What does that mean? That means thinking of end-to-end architecture, not just building your vehicle and flying it into space. Building your vehicle and flying it into space is all fine and dandy, right? That's all fine and dandy. Building a reusable SSTO and building a launch pad to go with it is not nearly as easy as you might think. I didn't just build spaceships in KSP. I built space programs. It's called Kerbal Space Program, not Kerbal Spaceship. Mike, you missed mission mode. Yeah, I know. Graham, I built out entire reusable architectures and attempted to implement them so I could understand systems engineering better and how space programs work. You know, this SLS, this theory that I have about SLSs that you hear me spout on about all the time isn't just born because I want to see, born out of my opinion that I should see, I want to see more rocket launches, even though that does have a lot to do with it. I know how to run a space program. I could say that with pretty damn good confidence, actually. Oh, nice, Cozy. That's cool, man. I love to watch mission mode. I checked some VODs a couple weeks ago. You're not getting it. What's not to get? You said build a reusable launch vehicle. Like, actually reuse it. That was my modus operandi for, like, 5 years playing Kerbal Space Program, Graham. That's what I'm trying to tell you. I don't just build reusable vehicles. I build reusable vehicles, like my first stages. I had another rocket called Condor 9. Condor 9 was a Falcon 9 ripoff, right? Condor 9, I could pick up the first stage. I'd land the first stage, pick it up, fold its legs up, take it horizontally, bring it back to the pad, bring it vertically, and then send it. Yeah. I build reusable vehicles. Been doing that for a long time. Have you ever played RP1? No. I'm not a rocket scientist, no. I used Kerbal to teach me about rocket science, though. But, yeah. Do you know if KSA will have inspired parts like KSP? Mm-hmm. Oh, it's all a game then? Game? It's all a simulator? This game, yeah. This game will teach you how rockets fly, dude. The cigarette rocket's in another save, Lady Warrior. I have no idea where it is. A lot of them do, Cozy, yeah. Looks very Ares 1. This is Jebstone 4. Not Ares 1. No 5-segment boosters in KSP. This right here is the career mode killer rocket. This thing for 50 Gs in stock KSP can put 18 tons into space with a 375 meter fairing. So why not code them and have fun learning the control side of it? I started doing that a little while ago. I stopped because of something else. I have KRPC loaded. And I even made a rocket to test how to fly it around. We called it the Chicken Nugget. So, if there's anybody that's a propulsion engineer or propulsion nerd out there, this rocket has a regressive SRB thrust curve. Thrust tail off. So does my shuttle, for what it's worth. Thrust tailing off, SRB standing by for separation. Yeah, we figured out a way to get them to tail off in KSP. We programmed the thrust limiter output on the SRB and made, quite literally, made a thrust curve for it over time. That was hard to do. Yeah, that was a difficult thing to do. You should create a caster 260 for KSP, yeah. Actually, Rocket Guy, your streams got me jonesing for trying to figure this out. I don't know anything about coding. I don't know how to do that. I'm not very good at it. I don't even think that like jumping in and trying to learn here, that might be above my skill level. That's the chicken nugget. Wait, why does it have a Nerva engine? It's too difficult. I can't manufacture code. Wow, wow, wow. All right. I remember what we were doing with this. We were testing out nuclear engines with this. Learn, dang it. All right, fine, whatever. Yep. That's what I thought that would do. Yep. Yep. Good Lord. Yeah. Hey, a piece of it survived. Oh. Was that overclocked? Tessa, that nuclear engine is overclocked to 36,000% thrust. Oh, nope, never mind. Didn't survive. It manhole covered itself. Yeah, that didn't work. How many G's did it pull? Yeah. Yes. Would you be willing to tell me which is better, safer deployment method for Geo? I think it's better to have the upper stage go direct into a circularized graveyard orbit and then deploy the payload in safest stage question. I think deploying after geostationary transfer username is the best. That way the satellite can circularize well and clear of the second stage. Now, the second stage apogee could be super sync insertion, in which case it could put itself into a graveyard. Alright. Let's see if we can... Okay. Okay, relax. Oh, don't tip over. Don't do that. Don't do that. Hold together. Come on. Yep, there we go. Yes. Nope. Oh, I can see. I missed and hit Z and it went full throttle. Oops. My bad. Fine. Yeah, we'll just... That's not the version I used to code. Oh, hey, look, it's Kairos rocket. I mean more for direct-to-geo deployments. It just seems like a bad idea to deploy the satellite in the slot and then do another 1 to 2 birds in order to save the stage. Uh-huh. I mean, yeah, that makes sense. They might do that, username. We don't really know. That part of the mission never gets streamed, man. What's your most cursed design? Start with launch. That is fairly simple. Then keep adding capabilities if you're interested. I am, Rocket. Yeah. I mean, Rocket, I think I... How many horsepower does that Nerva have? Yes. It has yes, dude. After my rocket landing stuff, I want to get into robotic arm control because KRPC updated can now communicate with robotic parts, which is awesome. Really? Is that cursed enough for you? How is that cursed enough for you? You insist, Tessa. It's anti-gravity, dudes. It's a witch! Burn it! Hold on to your butts. Ooh. Okay, alright. Slow down before we blow up. Oh, come on. Okay, we're alright. Oh. Yep, good old Kraken drives. Yep, that's what's happening here. I need the science tech? Nah, I can't. ITAR, sorry. What's our apogee right now? Oh, 91. Not bad. Good. It's Zuma. It's a Zuma module, obviously. In this house, we obey the laws of thermodynamics. Where's the moon? You want to go to the moon? If we think about going to the moon really, really hard, we will go to the moon. You just gotta think about it hard enough, and we'll get there. You just gotta rub the 6 brain cells together. There we go. Uh-oh. It's fine. It's fine. How you doing that? Oh, I am a wizard. We have an SOI. Is that Bree and Titan? Oh. Oh. Wow. Wow.
Yeah, this came late.
It came late for the Christmas streams, but good enough. Hello, Titan. It came late. I wanted to wear it during the flame trench, but that's okay.
You can wear it next week, after Christmas.
Yeah, it's good. There. I mean, we are basically flying around the Kerbal equivalent of Santa's sleigh right now, so.
Oh, well then.
Yeah,
I think that's what you should make.
we could.
Alright, Tights. Dude, this dog is like, why am I outside right now? What am I doing? What are we, Mom? Mom, it's wet.
Mom, it's wet. Love you, babe. Thank you. Oh, we have to adjust our trajectory a little bit. We're past almost 12,000 kilometers a second. Well, Black Eagle, something that I really wanted to do in KSP was controllable Kraken drive. We figured out a way to harness the power of the Kraken. Use it. Bend the physics of the game to our will. We will be there in 7 minutes. We did one time Panderific, but I don't know what it is. What's this? Are we putting a... No, I'm delivering presents to the moon. Can't you see because of this festive hat? We're going 23,000 meters a second. What do I get for Christmas? Moon rocks. Yeah, Yuri, we're going pretty quick. 27,000, excuse me. We'll be at the moon in 4 minutes. 4 minutes, 20 seconds, baby. 3 minutes. We were down there like 8 minutes ago. We were over there. It's pretty cool, right? Maybe we should slow down. Easiest no time warp mission. Casually approaching 67,000 miles an hour. Yeah, guys, we are not time warping. And that moon is coming up awfully fast. What blew up earlier? Things. That's no moon. It's a space station. It's too big to be a space station. Do a flyby. The anniversary airless. Yep. Mm-hmm. Santa hat. Yes, it is me. That moon's coming up awfully quick. Maybe we should stop. Like, given the role she's got, Captain, we're about to crack the dilithium crystals. Oh, that moon's coming up real fast. Oh, oh, okay. All right, all right, all right. Oh, it's gonna be close. It's gonna be close. We're dead. We are so dead. We are so dead. Ah! We almost made it. Parts of us made it. What was the G meter? 24.8 Gs. Bye. Herrick asteroid redirection test. ERT. Yeah, that's the most cursed thing we've made. Was that a DART mission? Yeah, kind of. It was like Viper? No, no. Where is it? No, wait. Where is the thing? You know, the thing. Where is the grand touring ship that we made? I don't even remember what we called it. Make a spin launch? No, Nova. No, it was bigger than that. Bigger than Scoby's. It's not Grissom, no. I'll find it. Give me a second. The Endurance. Here it is. No, it wasn't Shut Up. I did make a spin launcher a long time ago, Rocket Guy. The bearings don't really like spinning that fast. Yeah. No, it's not the Interstellar Endurance. It's Project Endurance. Differences. Ever made a working skyhook? Nah, that doesn't work too well in KSP, dude. Come on. Come on. Load. Don't die. Tried making a catapult before Doom, it didn't work. Noted, weather guy. Engage the drive course. Drive course online. What if I told you this is one of the fastest things we've ever made? Faster than the barrel you just saw. It only counts if you can stop? Alright. Parker solar probe fast? Yeah. Actually, we should probably close that. What we're about to do is going to get a little spicy. Close the engine room. Come on, baby. Come on, endurance. Come on, endurance. It is some kind of crack and drive vehicle, yes. Clamp it a little more. All right, maybe we should give her a little boost. Engage the impulse drive, Mr. Spock. We're accelerating to warp in the atmosphere. Oh. Stay together. Transonic. Have you thought about using community fixes? Actually, yes, Mr. Bond, I have. Want to install it after this? See how long it takes? We could compare endurance runs here. Send an endurance into space. See how long it takes over here, right? Yeah, we max Q. We're in the throttle bucket. Hit it. Just seeing the chug made you consider it. I'd like to remind everybody that the endurance is 2,000 tons. I'm telling you, I played Kerbal so much over the last 10 years, I'm able to manipulate it to my will. I can bend physics and time. Seriously. Seriously. No cheats. No hack gravity. Nothing. No cheats here. Stock game. The patch I meant, not the throttles. Yeah. You should be the Rocket Guy contractor of rockets building you, and Rocket Guy would be an unstoppable Combination. Collab with Rocket Guy? I mean, Rocket Guy, you need somebody to make you a pad in KSP. I'm a little rusty, but... We are able to manipulate anything. We can launch anything anywhere in the galaxy. Or solar system, there is no galaxy. Hidden Space Agency is what it's called, Joker. How many bananas could the Endurance launch? More than Starship. Got him. It's Kraken drives, but it's very hard to make good ones. That's what I mean, Yuri. The Kraken drives are really hard to get right. I spent a good amount of time getting this thing right. Look at that. She flies like a dream. This thing could just accelerate for hours, dude. Maybe we should gravity turn. How many parts are on this thing? 1,049, of course. Interstellar capable? Easily, May. Keep it nice. Keep it at a nice 1G acceleration here. Most do not dare to accept the power of robotic parts. I used the robotic parts to verticate a 2,300-ton SSTO one time. It was pretty cool. Yeah, Norse, yeah. Alright, Conan, see you, buddy. Okay. Let us coast. You know what? You know what, dudes? I don't think I ever got the Endurance into orbit. Ever. I think this is the first time I sent this thing up here, to be honest with you. I never... Because we sent Grissom's instead. Yuri, we have a way of circumventing the robotics and making them way stronger than they are. Blood for the blood god, the dark side of the force is the pathway to many abilities some consider to be unnatural. Have I ever told you of Darth Jebius the Wise? He was able to bend the Kraken forces to his will. Yeah, I made parts, Yuri, to strengthen the robotics in game, dude. And Rocket Guy, second part, if you get inverse kinematics figured out, or at least if you could point me in the right direction of inverse kinematics, then we might need to talk, because I need to figure out how to do that. Random thought, the speed of light is the Mach 1 of the universe. Yeah, I guess you could say that. Very Doniger-esque. Yeah, I have a Doniger too, but the Doniger model that I made is not equipped with the right stuff. This is my own design. It's not exactly the Doniger. It doesn't have the right front to do that. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's get ourselves a little bit of circularization action here. We only need about 2,000 meters a second here. Come on, baby. Give it the juice. Come on. Come on, Cirque. Oh, 9 G's. Hey, Bill's starting to feel it. Chloe, you've been sporadically working on a mod that adds those hybrid tech parts you were making. Been a while, though. Should I get it done and published? It's really up to you, Chloe. If you did, I would like credit where credit is due for the idea, but please publish it. I don't care. Just say, oh, EJ inspired this, and then just be done with it. And Chloe, please tell me, because I'll use it. If you did it and you did it right, did you do the gliders, the parented convex mesh gliders? Did you do that the way I sought? Oops, forgot the flag and dodge. Just the way you were making them? Cool. Right on. That's actually super neat. Guys, you gotta hit the brakes. Yeah, Michael's gonna be fine. It's okay. Stop changing. What's propelling us forward? Because I don't think the drives are... Where are you taking this big boy? Anywhere, Flamey Jamie. I was just seeing if we could get into space. Pull the control rods out. Does it have craft dock to it? No. We just have to pull the control rods out. Rods have disengaged. All right, open. No, it's the reverse of a nuclear, guys. I don't know what's making us go forward, dudes. I wish it did. I don't know where we're getting that acceleration component, to be honest. Huh. try clearing the input locks. Nope, still just randomly accelerating. That's peculiar. Pretty good. Man, this thing is cool. Thanks, girl. Clydesdale in the center? Get back. Nice. Yeah, dude. I don't ever remember doing this, guys. This is definitely the first time we've, What the hell is that doing there? Just a random radiator? Definitely the first time I had this thing up on orbit. I don't ever remember sneaking around this thing. Anyway. Cool. Let's get community fixes in and we'll see how bad it is. How do we do community fixes? Is that something that I can get on CCAN? It is Nova. All right, cool. What other things does community fixes do? Hang on, I just want to see what is this thing doing here? Cool. I'm gonna go get a cough drop. I'll be right back. Hallo, Alucard. Wie geht's, mein Freund? Wie geht's? This is gonna take a little while to, you know. Hallo, es geht mir gut und selbst. Good, good, good. Gerbil. Yeah, everything's good, man. Freut mich. Ja. Sweet. Okay. I forget how to do this, dude. You're gonna have to run me through it. Oh. Well. Got machine, right? On October 20th, right there. There we go. Well, that's easy. Yeah, okay, Nate, I think I got it, dude. It says it fixes part drift. I'll believe that when I see it. Check for updates on your other mods. Pardo Drifto, cuz. Waz. It has been noticeably better part drift, but it is still there after many recycles. But yes, night and day difference. Cool. KSP Community Fixes by Got Machine. Weather guy. You know what? The Halo music, I was vibing, but how about...
sure this is useful to someone, somewhere.
What is the Artemis launch for the day? Artemis launch. You know what? I got a good way to stress test this if you guys are so inclined. That I noticed that this loads a lot faster, dude. All right. I'll be able to tell you if this is faster just by the load time. We'll see what happens. Sorry, Astranis, tired. Oh, Astranis is in about an hour and a half. Actually, an hour and a half on the dot. That's right, Sammy. Fusion Core Dance. T0 got nudged. Oh, damn. More time to play with KSP. Ah, shoot. Oh, jeez. Oh, God. Oh.
Discovery, go at throttle up.
Get down. Granny staging, not double strutting like you should. Now me and Von Kerman gotta rip apart the rocket engine and replace the combustion plate, you fried. Guys, I don't think it's faster. Yeah, it's broken. That's enough of that. Okay, so Star Raker might still be a no-go. If you want more performance, I can only recommend KSP Burst. This soundtrack video has satisfactory sounds in it. I like that song. Bring that song back. Did you start the engines? No, didn't even get to it. You like that subcooler? Yeah, pretty cool, huh? Sorry, yeah, no. There's some, in this YouTube video, there's some It's not just the sounds. It's just a capture of somebody playing Satisfactory with the Christmas music, the Fixmas music. I crashed out, Tessa. Or I X'd out of it, sorry. It didn't like Star Raker, for what it's worth. I know what let's do. Dingleberg, 91 months though. This should be a good test. This should be a good test. Stuff definitely loads quicker, that's for sure. Stuff definitely loads quicker. Satisfactory noises. Yeah, that's the Satisfactory noises in the background. Is Star Raker still over there? It absolutely is. Ah, whatever. Good stress test. All right, here we go. T minus 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold. Okay, resume at T minus 10. 10. Get that off the screen. Okay. Nope. Okay, T minus 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. One. Booster ignition. That was a bad separation. Okay, we gotta lift off. Roll program. Roll program complete. Roger roll. Okay, vehicle switching down range. think we're getting out of render range of Star Raker. I think that's what's going on. Either that or it's about to explode. Yep, there it is. Yeah, Kelly, I've built anything you want in this. All right, throttling back for maximum dynamic pressure. Engines throttling back to 66% of rated performance. Shuttle breaks through the sound barrier. Vehicle's transonic. Go at throttle up. Copy, go throttle up. Everything's looking good. Thrust tailing off and SRB standing by for separation. Let's see if she still does it. Prime. Separation confirmed. 103 converge. Dude, they still work. That still works. Okay, orbiter, negative return. Copy, negative return.
So I will start to hit CD, or what do you call it?
Orbiter control, press to ATO. Actually, that would have been TAL, not ATO. I screwed that up. Screwed up that call. It's alright. It's fine. Looks good. SRB trajectory is good. Things looking gravy here. Okay. Go for the pitch. Shuttle now moving into a wings up configuration for acquisition through the tracking data and relay system. Stand by. Press for Miko. Roger. Press for Miko. Ignore master alarm. Okie dokie. Miko confirmed. Main engine shutdown, purge out. Okay, orbiter, nominal orbit insertion, no ohms 1 required. Actually, that aperture's a little bit high, but... Separation confirmed. Stand by for ohms 2 at AP. But wait! There's more! Hold on to your butt! Cause this one's a screamer! It's satisfactory noises. We got one drogue. We got two drogues. Full drogue deploy. Full drogue deploy. Deploy this chute! Oh, it still does that. Crap! Crap, I lost both of them because it didn't deploy, because it's... Ah. The SRBs can land. You can reuse them. Oh, that's bullcrap, dude. Oh, we got the nose cones. Whatever. Whatever. At least I have chicken. What aspects of the shuttle's SRBs were reusable? All of them. All of it. You just need to repack it with fuel and insulator and fuel. Okay. Pressurizing the orbiter maneuvering systems. Okay, ohms 1 is dialed into the computer, reorienting the vehicle. Actually, Subcooler, that's a good point. The nozzle is not reusable. They're using an ablator nozzle. They did use an ablator nozzle during the shuttle. It actually jettisons right before the SRB falls into the water. Yeah, they jettison the nozzle. The nozzles were not reusable. There's no way to get rid of the heat. They were using an ablator nozzle. Yeah, sorry, my bad. It's not bad, dudes. Okay, we'll coast endurance here a little bit. Stand by for Ohms 2, T-minus 1 minute, 10 seconds. Okay, we time warped a little bit. Send it. How many hours did you put into the shuttle design? Hours. No, not hours. Months. This is the 5th generation shuttle, dude. It's my best design. You don't get better than this one, man. Okay. Ohms 2 complete. Slightly off nominal orbit. We're going to need to do Ohms 3 to get her down a little bit. I burned a little too far during MECO. But, welcome to space. Okay. Yeah, that uphill ride was so nice, we're going to leave you up there for a couple of days. Your gopher on orbit. Gopher payload bay door open. What the hell is that? Get that out of here. That was actually pretty fast, dude. Let's see. Ready? 0, 1. Dude, that's pretty good, man. We're almost real-time simulation. It's really close. That's really close. Should have gotten those dang SRBs back, man. Man.
So I will start a new
No.
CD, or what do you call it?
Over here. Pretty cool, huh? That's my shuttle. If you look at the payload bay, the arm is in the right spot. Provisions on both sides for an arm. The antenna's in the right spot. The airlock is, well, not there. It would be in the right spot. Our longeron pin attachment system is all in the right and correct areas. The lights are even in the right areas. I read way too much of the shuttle operations manual. Servo power amplifiers for the arm are all in the correct spots, and the arm, there's no latching end effector in this game, but if there was, it would be right there. I'm just using a docking port instead. No radiators, point deducted. There we go. You good? It's fully stocked, MK, yeah. I have some of, I have a custom flag pack, so we have custom flags. That's what makes the payload bay look right, but these are all stock parts. One of my best builds, dude. It doesn't get better than this thing. Seeing this makes me know that I just need to see you do an RP1 playthrough at some point. You would crush it. I don't know if I can build like this anymore, Surette. I don't know if I'm this good. How'd you get the leading edge of the wings to look so sharp? That was one of the hardest parts of this entire build. I used a build method that we invented a new way of building parts. Blame Jamie. So I'm using panels to create complicated shapes. Like the straight leading edge right there. It's just a bunch of panels. You place them and attach them to each other, and you can angle them to make different shapes. I call this tessellation, tessellative building. And I actually built a part in KSP so you could rotate stuff on a decimal point. You know, the editor, you can only rotate in 5-degree increments. In order to make that, we needed to rotate in like maybe 1-degree increment per. So I actually made a machine that you can use in KSP in the editor with the hydraulics called a tessellator, and I use that to actually make to make this shape. It was one of the most hardcore things I've ever done. That was so difficult to get that exactly right, but look. It looks like a flat shape from the side, but it's not. It's a helical shape, see? Made out of triangles. Will you be able to make something like this in KSA down the road? Oh, I don't know. Are you working on the Pillar of Autumn too? You hear satisfactory noises. That's the soundtrack, dude. Unless we can find another Fixmas soundtrack. There's only one YouTube video up that has the Fixmas soundtrack, dude. Was this shuttle built before or after the Freedom rockets? After. Yeah, Bill, that would suck. I whipped this thing up in probably like 2 to 3 weeks in... It would have been late 2022. There goes the external tank. Alright, stand by for ohms 3. Oh, I forgot to close the external tank flaps. There we go. Ohms 3. Note how the rates stay fine. The engines are pointed through the center of mass, so you can just chill. $100 by 99. We're in a good orbit. How's that, huh? Where is the Puma integrated support structure? You gonna make me put that in here? This kind of feels like coming home. I hope KSA is good passing. I really do. I hope they capture. I think Dean and the boys are. I think they're gonna do it, but I would love to. Sorry, I get a little distracted by the picture. I would love to experience Kerbal again for the first time, dude. You know what I mean? Can you use the arm? Yeah, of course, Enzo. Arm is fully articulate and usable. The problem is that the real arm uses software. It uses inverse kinematic governing software. That satisfactory noises. I don't have that, so you have to control it manually, and it's very, very, very difficult. I guess what I'm trying to say is that I'm really hoping that Dean and the rest of the Rocket Works team with Kitten Space Agency, I hope they can capture the magic of KSP. I think they can, for what it's worth. I just really hope that they do. You know? It makes me so sad what happened in this game. Or the franchise. It makes me so sad. It sucks. But, how much time do we have? When's that, Astranus? So 11:15. Oh, we got time. What is this KSA you speak of? Kitten Space Agency 12 Bravo. It's this spiritual successor to KSP. And the Discord weather guy linked it up. Okay. RP1 is like that, Siret? Okay. Alright, we gotta go around a couple of times here. Hold up a second. Okay. Forgot to turn the fuel cells on. The sounding rocket and spaceplane stage of RP1 is so bad it makes the whole saddle-legged arc seem really fun. Hey, Sneaky, Mary Chrysler. What's our fuel? 665? Should be alright. Alright. We need a 60 meters a second burn here. No. No, 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 no. Get off the screen. Okay. Reorient the vehicle. Orbiter, you go for payload bay door close. Okay. Here, go or deorbit, burn. Sleeping on it, demon. Don't remind me. I gotta get at him with a Dremel. I talked to my dad about it.
So
Well,
I will start a new CD.
I talked to my dad about it at the beginning of the flame trench, or after the flame trench close. I talked to my dad today off stream. He said get a Dremel and get a diamond head for the Dremel and just grind everything out. Demon, what happened?
I'm sure this is useful to someone somewhere.
What happened was I went and bought an extractor, and I got the extractor, and I used the extractor on a bolt, and the extractor broke off. So now there's a broken bolt and a broken extractor in the transmission as well, which just... Back in the day, if the shuttle doors wouldn't close, how screwed would they be? You can manually crank them closed, uncapping. Yeah, not very screwed. You can manually close them. Yeah, I was a little... I wasn't mad. It just bummed me out, dude. Alright. Oh. Hold on. Let's just go to the tracking station real quick and get rid of Starline or Star Raker. Oh god, Star Raker, just recover that. That would have been bad. That would have been very bad. We would have gone to land and the game would have stopped. Heat, juice, and heat, yeah. Can the shuttle doors be closed with the antenna extended? No. Oops. If you really want to know, there's a detent for the antenna. You can't start closing the doors without the antenna. There's a detent on the real system, so that doesn't happen. It's fine. It's fine. No, the shuttle would be working off of its short band at this point. It'd be working off short band because the high gain antenna is retracted. So right here, actually just right there, the short band antenna is right there. It's underneath the skin of the orbiter, but it's right there. That's how it communicated. That's part of the reason why the shuttle would fly wings down. Hey Plus, what's up? Happy Curb Miss. Okay, speed brake control, body flap control, armed. Ground altimeter is on. Aero UI on. Here we go. Set control mechanism. Where's the control from here? Oh, there it is. All right, right there. Okay, we're good. Playing KSP, trying to get to the moon and back for the first time. Good luck, man. If those satisfactory noises are getting distracting, guys, you tell me. That's just the video that this song is from. just trying to make sure I still know how to do
Go and
this.
throttle up.
Cross Race, 69-month resub. Nice. Thermals. Okay. Yo, Random
Go and
Bozo.
throttle up.
Thanks for that Prime sub, man. Appreciate you. Okay, Parag's going negative. We have no, negative Parag. I don't know, Kopi, maybe. The amount of satisfactory streams I've lurked in, hearing those noises in the background is just another Tuesday. This is interesting music to hear a shuttle re-enter to, but... Not bad. Chaos, I'm bringing her back down. I haven't played KSP in a little while, dude. This is my shuttle that I made. This thing, I engineered this thing in Kerbal to fly like the real shuttle, so it flies terribly. You have to be very careful about getting this thing back to the runway, dude. So, I haven't flown it in a little while, and I'm hoping I don't screw this up like on stream in front of a bunch of people. Because I used to be able to do this in my sleep. I don't know, Andrew. Everything is looking good here, actually. Yep. I don't want an incident. Do you hear me, Stetter? Get out of there. Trajectory's looking pretty good, actually. Crossing the coastline. Everything's looking good here, actually. What do we have that's bigger than 240? Nothing, sir. Okay, first S turn. Hey. Play nice.
So I will start a new CD.
No, you won't. Be quiet. $1,800 over the coast. That's a little short, so I'm gonna bring the nose down just a little bit. Yeah, Strandis got pushed back, guys, to 11:15. We're going all the way to it. We're 13 hours deep into the stream, baby. Stream started at 9 this morning with the Rocket Lab scrub. Second astern, roll reversal. And 2 broken bolts later. Drake, why you gotta bring that up, man? Why you gotta bring that up, dude? What did I do to you? Have you done Apollo applications in KSP? No. Looks like it was pushed to midnight per space flight now. Oh, no. Okay, rolling back. Yeah, the S turns are to slow down, Dash. So what I do with my shuttle, I always aim for an overshoot, okay? So I always aim for an overshoot with the shuttle. So I get my trajectory, I basically modulate the shuttle's angle of attack to get on the trajectory that I need. Once I'm at the trajectory that I need, if I tried to pitch the shuttle up more, we'd slow down more, right? That's no good. If we pitched it down more, we'd go further, right? So I move the shuttle up and down, get the trajectory that I want, and once we have that established, right, it's just bleeding off speed because I don't want to dip too fast down into the atmosphere. So what I do, and what the real shuttle did, was start turning like this. It would, instead of breaking up or down like that, right, to push your trajectory further out or further back, it would push the trajectory left to right to slow down. Right? That's what the S-curves are for. They're to make sure you don't dip too far down too fast. Good question, dude. Yeah. Like, the shuttle might fly like duty down there, but it flies excellent up here. There's nothing that flies better at Mach 25, dude. Nothing. I don't think Starship will need S-curves. It might. That's the key with any space plane in KSP. Dash, if you're still here, if you give care. Key with any space plane. Unless you have jet engines, right? You can, it's really easy to undershoot, right? You undershoot, you're not gonna be able to glide back. You land in the woods out there, right? What I always do, right? I get my overshoot trajectory set. I overshoot on purpose. We overshoot because you can always bleed off speed with this thing. You can't regain it. So get to the point where you need to be, and then slow down. which is what I'm doing now. See, I got my trajectory dialed in. We're all right. We're good. And then once I'm here, once I'm over KSC, right, what I'm going to do... Oh, Nelly, come on back. Once I'm over KSC, I'll do my heading alignment. I'll just turn around. Turning around will bleed off all the speed, and that's the point where the shuttle starts flying like Dookie, right? So, open up that speed brake a little bit. And then just bleed off your speed here with the speed brake. That's what they do. I've just read the operations manual for the orbiter and flight regimes and reading way too much about the shuttle, but Sonic Boom's just heard at the Kerbal Space Center. Alright. Switch to regular control surfaces. We're at 32,000 feet. Now you just bring her around town for a heading alignment. Okay, and this is where this thing starts really flying badly. I purposely designed this thing, the way I built it in Kerbal, it's designed to induce an insane amount of drag off the back. See the red? It's designed to do that on purpose. I made it fly like poop. If you're not paying attention, you overshoot and you land in the water. Are you using a space shuttle to build a space station like they did in real life? I did that in one of my other saves, plays with this exact shuttle. I'm just demonstrating this in a sandbox save. I could show you the station that I used to build it if you want. Pretty good space station. You asked Brock about me, and this is an excerpt. EJ has been involved in significant events like live streaming space launches and creative impressive builds in Kerbal Space Program, including replicas of the space shuttle. How the hell does that thing know about me? That's weird, dude. I don't like that at all. You guys want to see the station? All right, let me bring her on home. It's the Satisfactory music, all systems. Somebody's playing Satisfactory while listening to the music. It's the only way you could get at the new Christmas music. All right. Speed brake. Ground altimeter is on. All right. I'm going a little fast. Shuttle had a pretty steep AOA. Yeah. This is a little too steep for the shuttle in real life. It's a little too steep, but this, you know, it's good enough. Okay, pre-flare, gear coming. Gear down. Oh, that was too much. Oh, I made a rookie mistake, dude. Oh, that would have broken the thing in real life. I flared too much. Oof. Oof. Huge rookie mistake, dude. Want me to take it up the hangar, chat? Oof, EJ, you think you're an astronaut because you can name all the space shuttles? Well, congratulations, you've mastered kindergarten level space trivia. Now, if only you could launch yourself into the realm of interesting conversations. What the hell prompted that, Hired? Oh, thanks, Pat. Yeah, you like that experiment? Yeah, yeah. Well, does Grok know how pause attraction on a 72 Plymouth works? I don't think so. Okay, we'll stop on the orbiter. We'll stop. You're so obsessed with space shuttles. It's like you're waiting for NASA to send one to pick you up. Newsflash, they retired those things just like your chances of getting an invite to a real space conference. Joke's on you, Grok! Already been invited to space conferences before. Get fucked. Oh, excuse me. Stupid robot.
So I will start a new CD.
Oops. There you go. Here, let me show you the station. Justified deployment. I love your Starship reactions. Thanks, Sojourner. Dude, I swear that's genuine. I'm not trying to fudge nothing there. I'm like, it genuinely, I'm like, okay. So I think my station is in the other save. Give me 1 second. Have you shown Jebstone? I have, Halengar, yeah. Get flocked. Yeah, thanks, Garrett. Yeah. Get flocked. Also, somebody's making some seeds go over my stream. Here we go. Get fricked. Get funked. Get funked. Yeah. There you go. There it is. How's that?
I'm sure this is useful to someone, somewhere.
Pretty cool, huh? Get grokked, yeah. How many flights did it take? 15? Still a beaut, yep. I wonder if the MBS still works. Here, you want to see something cool, Imperial? Watch this. I have a mobile base on mine. So I can attach the arm to this. And if you attach the arm to it, I could put the arm on the MBS. And we can move the MBS. We can traverse the entire truss segment. Just like the real one. Stock KSP, dude. Yeah, we can hold parts on there. We have extra pieces on here. Just like the real one, dude. I have a Canadarm, yeah. See? And it articulates exactly like the real one. It's a direct copy, including the deployment mechanism. Thanks, Pat. Don't mind the other docking port in front of it. That's left over from deployment. Oh, my solar panels also rotate. Yeah. I programmed a Cal controller once the thing was up on orbit to synchronize the RPM on my solar panel arrays to the orbital period. So if you look, the solar panels will actually move. They will move like the real one. It made things better. Yeah. We have our short band, high gain right there. Yeah. How many flights did this take? Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It was 15. Yep. The launch now is at 5 UTC. Midnight. Oh. I put community fixes in. Yeah, it seems to be working okay. See, we got our airlock module over there. The airlock is pointed in the same direction. There's the cupola down there. Definitely a nostalgia trip, Halengar, that's for sure. I never attached any of the struts. Maybe I did, I don't know. SpaceX crew trying to squeeze in more KSP watching before they go to work. You can see they're just chilling. Satisfactory noise. What's planned for New Year's Eve? I'm not gonna be here for New Year's Eve. I might be here for the night before. We'll think about it. I think about it. Do you have Dexter? I do not have Dexter up here. This is not the ISS, Andrew. This is Space Station Freedom. Yeah, this is the revised baseline configuration of Space Station Freedom. Note the pressurized mating adapter is not a PMA. That's not a PMA. That's a shuttle docking mechanism. You need to install IBA for your station? Yeah. Where's the sun, man? I won't be here for New Year's Eve. I wasn't here for New Year's Eve last year, man. But I did do a New Year's Eve celebration. Screw me. I want to spend New Year's Eve with my wife for a change. Did you know that last New Year's Eve was the first New Year's Eve that I spent with Primo? We've been dating since 2017, man. We gotta finish this. I gotta see those hangar bays for repair. Part count. No, How dare you leave us? I'm here. I'm gonna be here for New Year's Eve. Dang it. How dare you cheat on chat? No. You guys suck. Yeah, you do need free IVA. Brimo can play GTA as well as anyone else here, let's be real. But Dad's going out for milk and cigarettes. Red Mode 2.0 when? Really, EJ, ditching us for your wife on New Year's Eve? I guess the fireworks at home must be better than the ones in chat. Here's hoping your midnight kiss is exciting as watching paint dry. That's pretty funny, man. Would you consider doing a VR only IVA Apollo mission at some point? Oh God. I don't know. I just want to see the solar arrays track the sun, dude. Come on, bring on the sun. Do 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 do. It does, Hired, yeah. Come on, give me that sunrise. Give me that sunrise, man. Oh, yeah.
I'm sure this is useful to someone, somewhere.
Oh, yeah, baby. Hey, we've watched paint dry with EJ at one point. New Year's Eve will be fine. It's all good. Spend the time with Primo. Thank you, Passing. Yorkshire tea is okay. There you go. There you go. That's about as good as it's gonna come from me. Okay? The long drinks. Dude, I know it takes time and patience, but I miss mission mode so freaking much. I don't know if I got it in me, Halingar. That's all I'm getting. I'm not too proud. I'm not too proud. I'll take it. Oh, shoot. Yeah, see, they're tracking. Do you still do State of the Stream? I didn't do it last year, NX, but yeah. I think if you focus more on space and less on GSE, you get back into it pretty quick. I don't know. I don't know, dudes. It's not that weather guy. It's not that, boys. Yeah, Rocky, that's right. GSE is fun. It's... Yeah. Game idea. Portal of Portal 2? Love portals. Yeah, see, they track. It's pretty cool, man. I hope we see a KSA mission mode, if anything. You could probably do a lot with a 65,000 part limit per craft. Pretty good, man. This took a lot of time to make this. I made this with no inverse kinematics. That sucked. That wasn't fun at all. Alright. Good enough. Space Engineers 2 is coming out. Here, pause that music for a second. Did Astranis really move to midnight? It did. Oh, boy. Oh. What do? We could skip it if you want. I said I would stream till the Astranis launch. This has been just a... Yeah. Interesting day. Have you done a Condor 9 landing? Yeah, Hired. I attempted to land MLV a second ago. The window goes until 2:30, by the way. Chaos, you made it into orbit around the moon. All right, man. There you go. It's 3:25 a.m. in the UK. Stop yawning like that. If it scrubs till tomorrow, will you do a 24-hour stream until launch? If they pushed it back to midnight with a 2:30 a.m. window the first time, would you have called it? No. 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 I wanted to do 2 long streams for you guys, and I wanted to center them around rocket launches and truck work and Kerbal. I had a plan to play Kerbal. The truck just decided to suck. So I thought you guys would appreciate some really nice long streams, you know, a little extra holiday content. My gift to you. And you'll get a nice long one. Get a nice long one on Monday too. If the launch is pushed. Ads.
On. Well, it's still on. 346 consecutive hours.
So what's up for the next 90 minutes? I don't know, dude. I didn't really go into KSP thinking we'd be playing it for this long, you know? And Electron tries again tomorrow. an idea look for the next project? I KSP memory lane every time it's open gets hard to watch after a year of doing it. I look forward to whatever your next KSP project is. That's the I'm probably gonna regret saying it, but the drive isn't there. It's just not there, man. I'm telling you, it's just not there. It's not there. It just feels like a game I used to play, you know what I mean? It's just not there. Don't you have a mountain to destroy in workers? We could play some workers, sure. The mind is willing. The flesh is spongy and weak. Sorry if that came off harsh. I just know you want feedback when constructive. No, yeah, Dean. Well, I'm just being truthful. I just... Yeah. I mean, Penta, that's pretty much it, dude. It really did. It really... I never thought I could get that screwed up from a game. Like, yeah, Jamie. Like, I don't know, man. I put my life into Kerbal, you know, and to have... There's a mental block there, dudes. It's a bad one. It's a bad one. I know you got to overcome it eventually. I'm trying, and that's what I mean about, you know, when I say that 2024 has been a tough year for me, man. Tough. Yeah, I mean, not for you guys. You guys have bared with me this whole time, and I've gotten nothing but thank yous, you know, like. Okay, unrelated to any of this, if you were to do a community game project again, what would you do? A community game project? I don't know. Is GSE possible? Is GSO, geostationary possible? 2863.3 methane. Yeah, it's absolutely possible. You broke a drill bit. I had a broken bolt that I was trying to get an extractor. I put an extractor, a bolt extractor in to try and extract it out, and the extractor broke. So now I have a broken bolt and a broken extractor inside of a bolt hole in the transmission. Yeah. Extractorant. Yep. Yeah, Dean, it's all right. I texted my dad about it in the downtime before the flame trench. This is what I was trying to say earlier. Yeah. A couple of people in chat said get a Dremel out, and he said get a Dremel out. It's the only thing that's gonna get the extractor head out. So, but yeah. Funny thing is, I found you after the whole KSP2 thing. I never knew you were as a KSP streamer. Yeah, Raiden, I have like 15,000 hours in Kerbal, dude. I played Kerbal pretty much every day from like 2014, I'd say, till about 2023. Like every day, every stream, at least 6 to 8 hours every stream. And then I played other games on top of that, dude. I'm a really cool STEM and variety streamer. Thanks, man. I have never used a bolt extractor like that didn't break off in the bolt. Okay. Yeah, no, I'm not trying to be a downer, but yeah, there's some mental block, guys, with KSP, and I know what people are saying. Oh, just suck it up, man. Like, I can't, dude. I tried. I've tried. I just. Tried. I've tried. And Dean, every time I go and play Kerbal, I end up just. I don't want to commit to a project. I don't have the drive to commit to anything, so I just end up showing off my highlight reel. And it's, yeah, I know it happens. I don't even think RP1 will do it. I just don't, the interest isn't there. It's just not there. Don't get me wrong. I still love spaceflight. I love space and I love spaceflight. That's not going anywhere, but yeah, dude. No, I figure I'd just tell you guys, like, I've been avoiding playing it. I can't do it. I can't do it. I don't have the magic isn't there. Like, I don't know how to build, the drive isn't there. It's not there. And I don't know what to tell you. Yeah, you gotta have the spark to play that game, dude. That's why I'm really hoping KSA captures that spark again. You know? Really, really hope so, man. Really hope so. Yeah. Have you looked at a recently potential deep modded run like interstellar cryogenics instead of the hyper real stuff? I don't know. ARC KSA is Kitten Space Agency. It's a game that's done by Rocketworks, Dean, so the guys that did Stationeers and Icarus. Only it's got a bunch of ex-KSP devs on it. And they just actually hired as a software engineer somebody that's been working on Falcon 9 guidance systems for 12 years. Yeah. So it's got SpaceX engineers working on it and Kerbal engineers, ex-Kerbal engineers working on it too. Yeah. You dive back into Stationeers. Wait, what? Yeah. Yeah, guys, KSA. Yeah. It lost its, yeah, like KSP lost it. Like, every time I play it, I just get reminded of that. I just get reminded of how everything went down and just. Yeah. Anyway, you guys want to play Workers? Let's play Workers. Let's get some Workers and resources done. Let's title this stream Moving Mountains. Because they were capitalist spy. Face the mountain, please. Chaos, you landed on the moon. Congratulations, dude. All right. I'll be honest, I clicked on your channel because I thought it was the NASA stream. Turns out you were also covering the launch and the broadcast was better than the NASA one. Oops. Hey, I'll take it, man. I'm sorry. Hey, I'm just racking those misclicks been doing that for a decade or decades. Sorry. Ready to see the 480 tons of prefabs that got burned down? I'm already... Fuck you. Nah, I don't mean to be down in the dumps with KSP, guys. I just can't do it. I can't do it. I don't have, it's not fun. I just think about everything that went down. All the stuff that, like the NDA stuff, like there's stuff I can't say, like, and I'm not going to. I just can't do it. Can't do it, dude. Anyway. I'm going to jog the YouTube VOD, guys. And, yeah, I'll see you guys back in 5 minutes. Like, less than that. If you're on Twitch, just stay here for a second. I'll be right back. We're going all the way to the Astranis launch, hopefully. Hopefully. We'll see what happens. All right. Be back in a moment. Stand by for lost signal on the YouTube end as expected.